This week my Land Cruiser battery went flat, so I needed to figure out whether the issue was the batteries, alternator or something else. I picked up this TOPDON BT200 to test everything properly. First impressions is pretty straightforward. Comes with a tester, clamps, and that's pretty much all you need. First connect red to positive and black to negative. The tester powers up automatically. The first test I ran was a battery health check. You need to select your battery type, then your battery standard. Mine are rated at 550 cca, so that's what I entered. Results came back at 100% health. So straight away it looks like the batteries weren't the issue. Next I ran a crank test. Select crank test, then start the vehicle within 30 seconds. Mine came back slightly slow, but still acceptable. Then I moved on to the charging test. With the engine running, start the test, then rev to around 2,500 RPM for a few seconds. Hold it there, then continue the test. This is where things got interesting. The results showed little to no charging output. I repeated the test a few times, same issue. After filming, I checked things over and noticed the alternator pulleys were getting red hot very quickly. Belts also look old, and they sit far too deep in the pulleys. I've also heard occasional squealing while driving, so I'm pretty confident the belts are slipping and not charging the batteries properly. Luckily, I already have new belts ready to fit, so that'll be the next job.